Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to review a very amazing product, CryptoMint. This product is created by Mr. Daniel. So this CryptoMint is new web-based software which create 100% done for you cryptocurrency and ClickBank site in less than 60 seconds. So here you can earn commission as well as the cryptocurrency. So here you will get all fully hosted done for you content, banner to promote your stunning designs. So with the help of this software, you will earn affiliate commission from top crypto exchanges like, as I said to you, Binance, Coinbase. Okay, and this you can earn this commission in the form of Bitcoin also. So as you know that Bitcoin price increasing day by day. So there is means actually even in last year it has 600% gain. So you will get much more beneficial from this. So daily and again this software creates daily original post relevant to your chosen cryptocurrency and created post for you every single day. So there are much more benefit from this software. So here I am giving you a great offer. See, if you like this product and if you purchase this product through my link which is in description, so I will give you very amazing bonuses along with this product absolutely free. So first we will review this product. We will go through the members area, my bonus pages and sales pages. So guys, I will take you to my bonuses. So these are my various bonuses which you will get along with this product if you purchase the product through my link. So these are the product, these bonuses are for a limited period. So let's go through these bonuses. So as I have already explained this about this product. So this is my bonus number 1, the lost code. This is the funnel building bonuses which help you to create your automatic done for you. So this will help you to grow your business, increase your commission. And my second bonus is that the Figo multiplier. This will help you to increase your traffic. So this will attract the traffic from various sites to your site, so that ultimately it will increase your commissions. My third bonus is that it's a tutorial which explain how to build the buyer list. So for any business, buyer is very important. So this tutorial help you to understand how to build your buyer list and grow your buyer list. And my fourth bonus is that how to explode your YouTube channel. See here in this tutorial you will get the idea how to increase your YouTube subscriber, how to grow your YouTube channel. So here they have given a secret to build up YouTube channel fast and how to grow that YouTube channel very fast. And you will learn here the best keyword, how to rank your YouTube video quickly and easily. So that see once your YouTube video will be ranked, then ultimately your income will be increased. And there are much more hacks, tactics given in this video. This is the very useful tutorial. And my fifth bonus is that you will get all the along with this my bonuses, you will get all the vendor bonuses also. That is also great offer. So you will get all these bonuses once you purchase this product directly. Once you purchase the product, your link directly it will redirect to the Warrior Plus, and so there you will get this product as well as the your these bonuses also. So now we'll move to the review page. Okay. So guys, we have now logged into this member area. Now this is the dashboard. So once we log in, this page will come. So now we are in this dashboard where we can see find all the statistics and starting with the earning performance. See here you can see this statistics, and at the same time you can see this analytics on other side, your site analytics and this thing. So now as our main purpose is how we can create our crypto and ClickBank site with the one click. So here I will show you. So using this theme, we have to click this. Okay. So this theme will come. Okay, this theme dashboard where you can activate any of theme which you like. Suppose I have clicked this, so this theme will be installed. If I and on the one click I can activate other theme also like this. If I click here, so this thing will be activated, installed. So here with the single click we can create our theme. Now let's see how our website look. See, we'll go to here. We'll see how our website looks. So see, this is our website created. See, it's a good website. Very beautifully they have designed. Okay. So now we here you can see your website has all the deals you need. You can choose any one of these deal which is mentioned below. Customize our website also. We can go to this page where we can set our this website also setting. So site menus. So here we can customize our website. Pages also we can customize. We can add new pages here. Here sliders is there. So we can add the slide and set up our SEO also here. Okay. Now, if you want to add more deals, so you have to just simply click on ClickBank search. See, now we came here at ClickBank dashboard. So you will get all the latest deal available which help you to search directly from this software. See, this software will help you to search all these direct deal available for you from that ClickBank site. So after you search your deal, you can make your product list on your website. So I will tell you how you can do that. So just simply click on all product. Okay, and then click on this add new. So here you can put your product name, enter the price and enter your link, and you just click on save. So now this field is required. So for time being we will fill some product here. Otherwise it will not work. We have to fill something inside. Okay. And you have to put your affiliate URL here. Okay, and then click on save. Okay, then once save, now here we can track our product also. So here, from here we can track our customer. So we can click on this Google Analytics. Okay, and click on this Google Analytics so that we to track your customer. You can use this Google Analytics. Here Google Tag Manager is also given. So at the same time, this Facebook Pixabay also here given. So here you can use this Facebook Pixabay so that you can retarget your customer also. And this WhatsApp API also given. So with this WhatsApp this function, you can with this WhatsApp API, this will you can monitor or you can control your this site through your WhatsApp. So in short, this is automatic done for you. So it's very easy to use. Is very easy to for operate. Anyone can operate, and this reduce your lots of hard work. This is the review for CryptoMint. So now I am quickly take you through this sales page. I will cover just only highlighted points. If you want to go in detail, you just click the link which is in my description. So you can go through my link and check this sales page in detail also. Single click. So as you know that this cryptocurrency is booming now. Even in last 1 year, this Bitcoin price went from $10,000 to more than $40,000. Even at the same time, this Ethereum also growing exponentially from $500 to $2,500. So I will just quickly going through it. So only main point I am just discussing. As I told, you will get paid by the various these exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, Crypto Hooper. See, once means actually you can refer for these exchanges, you will get paid for that. And when your referred person do any trading or this thing, every time they will trade, every time you will get paid for their trading. Some commission you will get. Here some testimonial is given. You can go through it in detail when you go through this sales page. These are some bonuses, interesting bonuses given by the vendor. This bonus number, this bonus is there that who is taking fast action. This crypto mint bonus 1, Orange Builder. This in this software you have to just drag and drop the page builder that builds. This help you to build your website. The second bonus is that given is commercial and reseller license to Weedcraft. Bonus number 3 is Google Bing email extractor. Apart from this, you will get this bonus as well. This Traffic Mat cloud app, special launch bonus. The special launch bonus 3, profitable done for you. This course absolutely free. You will get from with this product. The special launch bonus 4, that fully unlimited YouTube analytics bundle tools. And this bonus number 5, complete Facebook marketing academy. This course will help you how to get started with your Facebook ad, how to generate steady traffic from your Facebook. So there are so many bonuses also they are giving you along with this product. And see, as I told you, this they have given you 60 days money back guarantee also. So if you don't like this product, you can get this 60 days money back guarantee. So now we'll go through this price of this price and OTO section. So these are the price and upsells. So front end price for this crypto mint is $16.93. Upsell number 1 price is that's $47. That you will get the unlimited version of crypto mint with the done for you upgrade. You won't have to do any single thing yourself. And upsell number 2, that is costing $67. Upsell number 3, crypto mint agency, that cost around $97. So with the agency license you can create unlimited account and all of them their own login details and credential. You can sell them at any price. You can give away and help grow your list. This will ultimately help you to grow your list. Upsell number 4 is crypto mint enterprises. So with your with CryptoMint Enterprises upgrade, you get 10 done for you products to promote faster emailing. Upsell number 5, which is costing $67, that will give you done for you traffic to crypto and clickbank offers. Upsell number 6, that CryptoMint white label, that cost around $97. So these are the upsell price and front end price. Even if you buy this front end, you will get all the bonuses which I have mentioned, my bonuses plus vendor bonuses as well. So overall, these are the some key benefits which I have already to tell you. Just I am review this key benefits. So it's cover all traffic and bandwidth cost, 100% newbie friendly. You have to nothing to install, no WordPress theme, so you can operate this from anywhere. No monthly fees you have to pay. So automatic done for you is generated for you for 25 different niches. So there is huge benefits with this software, and this price is also very low. So this is the review for CryptoMint from my side. So guys, hope you like this review. If you want to purchase this product, the link is in my description, where you will get my bonuses, vendor bonuses along with this product. So on this channel, I will come up with the upcoming product review. So please do visit my site, like and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you very much.